Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the exit sign installation. I did actually already get it installed. As you can see, it's already installed. I did it off camera yesterday because it's kind of a hassle to record it. And I actually added a switch here. So instead of having to go into the breaker panel, which is in the wall, I can just, not in the wall, but I just flip that switch. And there it is, pretty cool. If you're wondering what models these are, pretty sure the emergency light, you can see it's the Lithonia. It's the E1EH. I don't know. And then the exit sign is it's like the ripoff of the Lithonia one. I do have the actual Lithonia one, but it's kind of like the ripoff. So yeah, and I painted this red switch for up there. And then I painted a red cover plate. I duct taped this so it wouldn't get painted on. Speaking of that, I can actually duct tape right now. I'll put you down. Okay, here it is finished. Pretty cool, I just painted it. Red spray paint right there. And yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. Bye, and I'll see you guys next vid.